So, should you do a process maturity assessment? Definitely. A process maturity assessment is one of the best ways to understand how your customers and stakeholders view your company's processes. Now, most maturity frameworks are based on a scale of 1 to 5, where 1 is an ad hoc or non-existent process and 5 is a fully optimized process. Assessments usually consist of interviews, questionnaires, workshops, and most importantly, observations on process execution. Now, once you have all that data collected and analyzed, you can set a baseline from which to identify gaps and prioritize improvements. But a word of caution. Many companies, in my experience, are too focused on the score. The higher, the better. Now, of course, having a high score is great, but the true value of a process maturity assessment is the opportunity to connect with the community, empathize with their concerns, and demonstrate your willingness to improve things. Taking this customer-focused approach to your maturity assessment will result in processes that are better aligned to their needs and improved customer satisfaction.